Chapter 2. Limitations, Prohibitions, Restrictions. Limitations, Restrictions, Warnings. A. Maximum wind speed for parking outdoors without tie-down is 15 knots. B. Maximum wind speed for parking outdoors with tie-down is 40 knots. C. Flying inside slip turbulence may result in non-precise fuel quantity indication. D. Soft grass runways, unpaved, tend to increase takeoff performance data by 20%. E. Headwinds shorten takeoff and landing length required by 8 meters for every 3 knots or 5 km per hour of increase in wind speed. F. Tailwinds extend takeoff and landing length required by 18 to 28 meters for every 3 knots or 5 km per hour of increase in wind speed. G. Tailwinds affect takeoff and landing performance by more than twice as much as headwind does. Questions. Question number 1. What is the maximum wind speed for parking the Pipistrel virus SW-80 outdoors without tie-down? A. 10 knots. B. 15 knots. C. 20 knots. D. 25 knots. Question number 2. What is the maximum wind speed for parking the Pipistrel virus SW-80 outdoors with tie-down? A. 30 knots. B. 35 knots. C. 40 knots. D. 45 knots. Question number 3. Flying inside slip turbulence may result in A. Increased fuel consumption. B. Non-precise fuel quantity indication. C. Engine failure. D. Improved fuel efficiency. Question number 4. Soft grass runways tend to increase takeoff performance data by A. 10%. B. 15%. C. 20%. D. 25%. Question number 5. Headwinds shorten takeoff and landing length required by how many meters for every 3 knots or 5 km per hour of increase in wind speed? A. 6 meters. B. 8 meters. C. 10 meters. D. 12 meters. Question number 6. Tailwinds extend takeoff and landing length required by how many meters for every 3 knots or 5 km per hour of increase in wind speed? A. 10 to 20 meters. B. 15 to 25 meters. C. 18 to 28 meters. D. 20 to 30 meters. Question number 7. Tailwinds affect takeoff and landing performance by A. Less than headwinds. B. The same as headwinds. C. More than twice as much as headwinds. D. Not at all. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.